Like the snack place is open, but I think they left it open because there's lots of stuff in here. Nice. Yes. Might actually go and get one of my tubs for my van because these boxes are crap. Right, let's see what we got then. We got a bag full of these popper katsu curry popper crisps. Massive bag full of them. Might have to get in here actually. We got some chocolate there, salted honey, got some pork scratchings. I'm gonna have to climb in here, I think. Okay. What have we got here? Loads of pom sticks. What are these? These look nice. Cappuccino wafers. Nice. They do look nice. Got some cakes there. Load of biltong, garlic beefsteak. Nice. Beef slices. In here we have got lots of Carolina Reaper and cheese flavoured curls. Nice. There's loads of them in here. Nice. I bet they're damn hot. Carolina Reapers. Very hot. And then we got loads of biscuits here. Shortcake biscuits with fruit. Some cheese sandwiches. Flapjacks. Lots of flapjacks. Look at this. We've got kettle crisps in here. Digestives. We've got some Dorito sour cream dips. Some more kettle crisps, sriracha, mayo, digestives, and some crushed black pepper and sea salt. Loads of digestive biscuits in here. Nice. Let's grab these here and the cakes. These poppers, popper crisps, more biscuits there. Right, we're nearly done now, I think. I think that is all cleared out. Nice. We done good today. Right, let's get this out of here then. When I seen it open, I didn't expect to find this, I will be honest. I thought somebody had already been. Oh, there's some more chocolate there. Yep, that's it. Look at all that. All them snacks saved for one place. What a good score. Right, stick these in the van. That's it, last one. Right, let's go. See you guys at the next spot. Quickly check Iceland. What have we got then? Sriracha chili mayo sauce. Oh, it's broken, that's a shame. There is some Pizza Express house light dressing. Oh, there's a big box of Daz. Nice. Oh yeah, we will take you. It's got a hole in the box. That don't matter. We'll save the rest of it. We got some crinkles there. Oven baked crinkles. There's more. There's another bag. And there's another bag. Nice. Must have come open when they opened the box. Nothing else in there. Nothing in there. Cool, we'll take these saves. Grab the crinkles. And a dressing. Right, I'll see you guys at the next spot.